In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a status indicator to a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to insert colorful status labels, customize them, and update them anytime to keep your projects and tasks easy to track. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add a status and click Edit. Once you're in the editor, place your cursor where you'd like the status indicator to appear. The quickest way to add a status is by typing status and pressing enter. Confluence will immediately insert the status macro. You can also click the insert button in the toolbar, search for status, and select it from the list. A settings window will appear where you can customize your status. Enter a label such as to do, in progress, done, or blocked. Then choose a color that matches your workflow. For example, use green for completed tasks, blue for work in progress, yellow for pending items, or red for blocked tasks. After selecting your text and color, click Insert. The status lozenge will be added to your page exactly where your cursor was. You can place multiple status indicators throughout your document, inside tables, checklists, or beside headings to make important updates easy to spot. If you ever need to change a status, simply click the existing status label while editing the page. Update the text, choose a different color if needed, and your changes will be applied instantly without creating a new status. When you're happy with your page, click Publish or Update to save your changes. Your status indicators will now help everyone quickly understand the progress of your work at a glance. That's how to add a status in a Confluence page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.